Welcome everyone to this series of lectures on dbScan. dbScan, or density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise, is a powerful technique which can be used for both clustering and outlier detection. Let's quickly review what this section will cover. We'll begin by trying to build out an intuition of how dbScan works with density-based measurements. In order to really understand this, we're going to see a comparison on a few datasets of dbScan clustering performance versus k-means clustering. Afterwards, we'll focus back on theory by trying to understand the hyperparameters that are key to dbScan, and then we'll also code out some examples of hyperparameter tuning with dbScan. Once you understand all of that, we'll set you loose on a project exercise trying to search for outliers in a dataset, and we'll go over the solutions as well. Okay. Let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.